Is Windows failing to load because of the Walletservice Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. As we prepare the manual solution for Walletservice Library, feel free to use the suggested utility for comprehensive system maintenance. This is the Walletservice Library, the Microsoft Walletservice Library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of digital payment methods, passes, and cards within the Windows Wallet ecosystem, essential for secure transaction handshakes. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. This is a critical Windows system integrity issue. You should run the system file checker by opening Command Prompt as an administrator and executing sfc/scan now, allowing Windows to automatically repair core architecture files like Walletservice Library DLL. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Walletservice Library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup dash image space /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Most individual downloads of Walletservice Library DLL lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. Review options for improving responsiveness and system safety by consulting the repair resource linked below for Walletservice Library. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Walletservice Library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.